friends, this is Gwen from Gwen the Trash Witch. Welcome. Thank you for coming by. I believe this will be my second video for today. We have a lot going on August 12th. Deck the Year 12 on 12 was the video I posted earlier. So this one is for lunar illuminations. And for the new moon, we post twice a month for this open collab, for the full moon and for the new moon. So for the new moon, I like to work in my fairy moon journal here. So I thought we'd talk about the new moon a little bit and maybe work on some of the pieces that I have here. So this is an open collab that's hosted by myself and Kelcey at Junk Journal Magic. And like I said, anyone is welcome to join in with us and play along. You can actually post anytime you like. I think saying the new moon and the full moon keeps us aware of how fast time is going and that we want to always be sharing something concerning the moon. So this new moon that we'll be experiencing today, August 12th, is the 8th new moon of the year of 2026. So this new moon will be, let's see, in Leo, I believe. And it is the second new moon of summer, as the second to occur after summer solstice. So that's kind of fun. As we see summer winding down here, I think a lot of us are anxious for that. I think I'll make this a belly band on this page. This was part of a masterboard I made, and I just love these pages, these pieces, not pages, these pieces that came. We're going to hold that down for a little second while I tell you a little bit more about the new moon. The August new moon is either, let's see, that's contradictory to what I just said. It says, oh, it can be either the second or third moon in summer. But for this year, for 2026, it's the second one in summer. Also, in some years, the new moon in August is a seasonal black moon as the third new moon in a season with new moons. So that would not be for this year. So the peak of this August new moon will be 1:37 p.m., and that's Eastern Standard Time, I believe. And it will look fairly invisible the day before and after. And this new moon will be in Leo. And the reason it looks invisible is just the way the sun is hitting it, and we can't see a lot of the moon. We just see the little sliver as it starts to go into its moon phase. So sometimes people say that you can see kind of, I'll just call it negative space. That's not what I actually read, but you can see the complete moon by the fact that it is still there, clearly, obviously, but it is blocking out like the stars behind it. So in that respect, you can always see the full moon, but it is only that little sliver that is being lit. I didn't have my glue ready to go. I don't think glue stick's gonna keep this little fairy down. So let's see if we can do that. I just love these papers. These are from Jovi's kit that I will try to remember to list below. If I remember correctly, it is in her Ko-fi shop. Or no, hers is on Etsy. It's on Etsy. So I'm going to put this beautiful piece of paper. Will this fit here? Probably shouldn't do it until I know that glue's dry. But just right here to remind myself that I need to make something to go in there. You see these fun twinchies from weeks past? Okay, what do we have here? We have another really pretty piece of that masterboard. And I don't have another image ready for that. Oh, here's some fun twinchies. Okay, let's make a corner tuck. Maybe I want to round this little scrap off a little bit more. Okay, what else do we know about the new moon? The new moon in August of 2026 is called the new sturgeon moon because it is start of the lunar cycle for the August full moon. Yeah, I do believe I remember that the full moon in August will be called the sturgeon moon. Oh, I was going to make that a little tuck. Okay, well, we have now made it a side pocket. That's okay. That's okay. Oops, we've got glue on the outside. Okay, so we're going to get this put in here. Okay, will there be a solar eclipse in August during this new moon? Yes, there will be a total solar eclipse during the August new moon. There will also be an annular solar eclipse during the February new moon. Will there be a super moon in August? Yes, there will be a super moon in August. The other 2026 new moons will be during the April new moon, the May new moon, the June new moon, and the July new moon. Well, those have already passed. Let's see. I'm going to put these twinchies right there. Let's see if I can get some glue out of here. So we have quite a list of content creators that have joined in with Lunar Illuminations. So it's fun to go around and see what other people are crafting for this fun hashtag. Please feel free to join in. You don't have to do a whole journal. You can do anything that you would like and use that hashtag if it's celestial or has to do with the moon or fairies like I've done here. That's the back side of the envelope, and there's that pretty envelope that I'm sure I decorated for Penny's collab. Let's see, do I have anything for here? No. Oh, I like this. This is like a little secret tuck spot. Isn't that fun? Okay, what else? Oh, okay. What's this? Oh, I bet this was a junk journal sketch. Let's get that glued down. We'll leave it so that it can open and it can be a journaling space. Should we do it? Maybe we'll do it where there's a tuck there too. Okay, so hold this. We don't want to glue on that edge if we're going to use it as a tuck spot. There we go. Okay, isn't that so cute? One of the fairies that are part of the kit also. Okay, we'll get this pushed down. I just put this here. Why did I put this here? What did I want to do with that? Uh-oh, did I just knock the camera? Oh, this one. Okay, isn't that cute? Has little tags in it. So what I did is I just did a, I can't think of what that's called. Oh shoot, what's it called? Anyway, we're gonna make this a flip up. Words sometimes escape us all, don't they? You can tell me in the comments below what I'm trying to think of. Hinge, I hinged it. Okay, so we're going to do the same and just glue these three sides. And then we have a fun little tuck spot on this side too. Is that straight? Let's straighten that up a little bit. I don't know why. I very rarely put in anything straight. There we go. Okay, really pretty piece. These fairies were from a scrapbook pad I had. Okay, oh, and then look at this pretty trim. I just found this at Hobby Lobby. It is sparkly, it's kind of stiff. It will also work in the mermaid journal. It's got wired edges, but I just thought it looked beautiful in this journal also. Okay, what else did I have ready to go in here? Oh, I have this one. This looks cute. This looks like a junk journal sketch too. Where would that go? Let's find a page on there. Do we like that? Yeah, I think the gold looks good. Why don't we do these 3 edges, and then it can be a top pocket. Okay, what else do I want to tell you? Anything else? I don't know a whole bunch about horoscopes and how that affects, maybe affects you. So we know that this new moon will be in Leo. So if you know more about that, maybe you can let us know in the description below what that means exactly. I should have looked that up. Let's see. I don't see anything else here online that I want to share with you. Uh-oh, Captain said, wait, I have something to share. Okay, the last piece I wanted to wear, oh, I didn't show you this. Look at this. This was from a scrapbook, and it was one of those big 12 by 12 pieces, so I cut it up, and this was a junk journal sketch, and I just laid it down, not a mosaic, but kind of like a mosaic on black. So maybe that can be a journaling card. That would be fun. I can put that on like some thicker cardstock. Okay, the last piece I had was, this was also from the kit. It goes like this. And I took the Inca Gold and did the edges kind of front and back just to give it some sparkle. And I thought maybe we could use this Wink of Stella. This is the clear, and maybe make this really shiny. I don't know, my Wink of Stella is always threatening me to be empty. And you know, if you squeeze too hard, you could get a whole bunch of Wink of Stella. So you don't want to do that. And then Tony taught me that you can unscrew this and add water and shake it up. And sometimes you can get more of that fun glitter out of there. Well, that looks really pretty, doesn't it? I hope you can see that. Oh, look, we got a whole bunch to come out that time. Probably because I tipped it upside down. Oh, the dogs are playing. They're playing. They're having a good time. And then this is the unicorn stickles. I thought, let's put some stars and just dot this little unicorn stickles all over and make it sparkly. And when this dries, it'll be so pretty. Okay, I love the unicorn stickles. I think that's very pretty. All right, so we'll let that dry, and that'll be a fun little card to stick in one of those pockets that we glued in today. All right, friends, thank you so much for coming by and just putting a few more little things in the fairy moon journal. Kelcey is, oh, that might be a fun piece for the cover. We'll see. That might work. Yeah, Kelcey wanted me to let you know she's gonna maybe be posting today, or she might be a little late in putting up her lunar illuminations for the new moon, but look forward to that because she always does such a good job. In case you were wondering, when I inked that one tag, it's Seedless Preserves. That was really a pretty color. I just love the purple and teal, some of my favorite combinations. All right, friends, thank you so much for coming, and yeah, happy new moon. And I will see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.